Everything is always working out for me. Even if I can't see it in the moment, I choose to trust because good things are always happening to me. I'm so lucky. I manifest whatever I want so easily. And I completely love and accept myself. Everything is always working out for me. I'm basically a luck magnet. Only good things come my way. Everywhere I go, luck follows me. I'm an extremely lucky person. The universe loves to surprise me with gifts. I'm feeling so lucky right now because the universe always has my back.